the start of something new that we plan to build. The next regatta will be on June 19th. And on that day, it's going to be even bigger and better.
All over the road. All over the road. Everywhere she go, what she whine and rolling. Every video that in she phone, is she whine and rolling. All over the road, what she whine and rolling. When the rhythm hitting she soul, what she whine and rolling. Lauren say it cold out in New York City. Say she coming home cause she must have to play. Lauren say it cold out in New York City. Say she coming home cause she must have to play. If you hear she ballin', I need a little runaway. Lauren coming home for carnival, I need a little runaway. This woman not bad, she body bag, I need a little runaway. She tell us she friend and family, I need a little runaway. If you see Lauren, everywhere she go, what she whine and rollin'. Every video that in she phone, is she whine and rollin'. All over the road, what she whine and rollin'. When the rhythm hitting she soul, what she whine and rollin'. She come out for a good time, say a prayer and she outside. Because the season comes so fast, oh yeah. And for the ones who can be here, raise your glasses in the air. Celebrate for the present, not the past. Yeah, Lauren say it cold out in New York City. Say she coming home cause she must have to play. Lauren say it cold out in New York City. Say she coming home cause she must